Good morning, legends. Today it's looking great, both on paper and actually here. It could be a very good day for fishing. Some crazy waves coming in, so I gotta be careful here. It's actually high tide now, so let's see. I'm gonna try that one here to see if there is more interest. Alright, let's cast here and then I'm gonna move. So there's like a massive rain just like behind me here. Don't have my rain jacket today. Actually I have in my car, but a rookie mistake. Don't know if you guys can see, but there's a rainbow just here. There's a rainbow just here. Let's go. Alright, new spot. This is gonna be it. This is always the saver. Let's go. This always saves the day. 3.2 minnow. Let's go. Yeah, got something here. Ah, what is that? A little Joey. Ah, today is gonna be a good test for my net here. Is it kind of a fall hook or something? Not sure. Where is he? Oh, this net here is shit. Already broke. At least he got off. This is a no-go. Look what happened here. Already broke that shit. First try. Little Jewy here. Yeah, little Jewy, mate. No, just don't. Nice little Jewy, hey? Nice little Jewy. Let's go. Alright, buddy. It's time for you to go, hey? 1, 2, 3. There he goes. Woo. Nice. I knew they were gonna be around. Those guys here, they do the work. Oh, fucking hell. Oh. Oh. No. Ah, this is so frustrating. Hooked one here, could be a jack. Took me to the rocks 100%. Took me to the rocks. Look, my leader is completely destroyed. Important question. Do I tie another knot? Or do I run like this? This is a 20-pound. Nah, this is gonna be gone. There's another fish like that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tie another one. Round two. Now I'm actually throwing a bit of a lighter jig head. I don't have that anymore, the 3/8 right now. Let's see. Yeah, that one's gonna sink a bit slower. Maybe like a better presentation. That guy took me through the rocks, no chance. So now I'm gonna actually put something a little bit heavier because I was fishing with a 1/4 and the current's a bit strong, so I wanted to reach the bottom quick. Oh, what is that? Not a flatty, hey. Woohoo! There you go. Little flatty. Hey, buddy. Yoo-hoo. It's turning out to be a nice session. So that was it, my friends. I ended up catching like a few fish. Draw like a net, like a telescopic net to test, but to be honest, it didn't work out quite nice. The first time that I was trying, it broke. But anyway, so probably I'm gonna use it just to kind of put it in between the rocks so I can handle the fish, because I hate, you know, catching the fish and just letting it drop in the rocks. I hope you like this one here, and if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to the channel. It does help me a lot, and I hope to see you on the next one. Let's go fishing.